Hi, everybody. Joey and I had a good time reading all your problem statements. You did a great job. I put a video for each of you to watch where I gave you specific feedback on your problem statements. And Joey helped me. Carl actually helped me too, but he's on the floor. Many of you really need to narrow it down a little bit. You'll see why in the paper, because when you look at going through the data and statistics, you want to have a narrow enough issue and policy so that you're able to get your arms around the data and what it means. And by the way, I love the names of some of your groups, very clever. So I want to point that out. Now, this week, you want to meet with your group for the second meeting and outline how you're going to do the paper. So just let me know in your comments related to meeting 2, who's going to do what by when. The more specific you are, the better, because that then will produce accountability. So if you say everything needs to be to the editor by Friday at 8 p.m., then that's really specific. And when it's 8:30 and somebody hasn't submitted something, then you have an accountability factor. And then when is the person going to submit it? One paper, you only need to submit one paper. The way I have it set up in Canvas is when one person submits, it submits for everybody. So don't worry about that, just submit one and it'll show up for everybody. I'll repost, or you can look at the Zoom recording on how to do that paper specifically. It's in the module that is marked issue policy resources. So make sure you watch that if you haven't already, to understand the different aspects of the paper. Get down. Go back to your book, chapter 4, and that'll really give you some good information about how it is you do each component of the paper. Be thinking about how you're going to translate this paper into a presentation, because that's going to be due the following week, and that's really when you do a video recording kind of explaining what you learned through doing your problem statement and then your paper. So if you have any questions, reach out. I really think you'll enjoy, I hope you enjoy putting this paper together, and the week after that, the presentation you're putting together. I'm here to help you. So any way I can, please let me know, and have a great week.